In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube full screen settings. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may find that YouTube videos don't go fully full screen when you go and tap on it. For example, if I go and tap on this video here, and then I'll go and make the video full screen, as you can see, it's actually got these black bars at the top and bottom, or to the side. So to go and change this, all you need to do is close off the YouTube video like this and go back to the YouTube homepage. Then what you need to do is go and tap on your profile picture in the top right of YouTube, just like so. And this is going to go and open up your sort of account page. Then what you'll need to do is go and tap on settings, just like this. And once you're in settings, and what you need to do is go and tap on general, which at the moment is the second option here, maybe slightly different for you. And then go and locate zoom to full screen, which says always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So go and enable that just like so. And now if I go back to that video, it's going to be automatically zoomed in so we don't have those black bars. I'll make the video full screen, and as you can see, it's now truly full screen. And yeah, it does mean the video is slightly zoomed in, so you're going to cut off the top and bottom, but overall it does make the experience a lot better. And while that's a bit bigger, you may want to go and increase the quality of it, because of course it's a bit bigger, so things will be slightly more blurry. So go and tap on the gear icon in the top right, and then what you can do is go and change the quality, and then what you can do is go and tap on higher picture quality, or go and tap on advanced, and then go and choose a higher quality, which yours is currently set to. If you guys found this useful, consider leaving a like. Peace.